Gayathri cashew processing machinery, manufactured by GI Technologies, has emerged as a leading technology provider for the industry, the world over. Raw cashew nut purchased by the processor is sun-dried, cleaned, weighed, packed in jute bags in a mechanized system. Steam is extensively used in cashew processing for steam roasting of raw cashew nut, before shelling, and for heating the tray dry for drying cashew kernel, before peeling, for moisture reduction. Raw cashew nut, drawn from warehouse, is screened and fed into steam cooker for conditioning raw nuts for shelling. Steam roasted, wet cashew nuts are conveyed by vibratory conveyor elevator to cooling bins for surface hardening by air cooling to make them amenable for shelling.
Unified Technologies is happy to announce the launch of state-of-the-art automatic cashew nut shelling system. Established a benchmark for the industry and a milestone in our Silver Jubilee year 2018. The highlight of the new shelling system are less power consumption, reduced manpower, improved productivity, achieved an uncut percentage of 5% max, and a broken kernels percentage of less than 2. The automatic shelling system is available in 300, 600 and 1200 kilograms per hour nominal capacities.
Steam roasted and cooled nuts are shelled in mechanized shelling machines, and shelled kernels and outer shells are collected in a conveyor, passes through vibratory conveyor. Kernels passing through screens are collected at the bottom, and shells are air scooped and collected separately. Skin-on kernels are heated for 8 to 10 hours in tray dry cold warmer, air-cooled to ambient temperature. Kernels are then steam humidified to loosen the outer skin for easy peeling. Heat-treated and humidified kernels are peeled pneumatically in a cylinder in batches. Peeled kernels pass through a supercalibrator to separate wholes and pieces of different sizes. The peeling system is controlled by a PLC and sensitive pressure gauges. Control process parameters for high efficiency and consistency in peeling, batch after batch. peeled cashew kernel needs to be graded on the basis of shape, size and color to meet the demands of international market standards. His complex task is done by the high-speed, high-accuracy optical color sorter. The color sorter can be commanded to select and grade cashew kernels as programmed in the PLC. The cashew kernel pieces, generated in the processing, required to be diced to uniform micro-size pieces to suit the needs of biscuit, bakery, sweet and savory manufacturers, meeting highest food safety standards. The graded cashew kernels are inspected for food safety requirements. Packed in seaworthy packages for long shelf life. Cashew kernels pass through air cleaning system to remove lightweight foreign particles, if any. Kernels are then conveyed through metal detectors to check for ferrous and non-ferrous particle presence and control. Over and above, a visual manual inspection is done to ensure total hygiene before final packing. The kernels are filled in food-grade multi-layer flexi pouch, vacuumized and inert gas flushed to obtain a solid brick shape. Pouches are then put in corrugated carton box, strapped and marked for shipment.